This strategy has actually made me over $14,000 just in the last 25 days. Just imagine you making that amount of money, 14 grand every single month. But in reality, it's even better than that. You see, I started with just $500, and then ever since 2017, I've just been stacking that up, stacking it up, and it's been compounding over time. So small 10% gains per month actually turn into much bigger gains over the long term. So by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what this strategy is and how you can actually use it, implement it in your life, either manually or to automate it so that you can continue to make those gains every single month for the rest of your life. But first, we have to do the giveaway. Back in 2017, when I first started watching crypto YouTubers, I really liked this guy called Crypto Nick. Now, he was an infamous shiller of the BitConnect project. I'm sure you must have heard of that one.
We are coming, and we are coming in waves. BitConnect!
It did not end well. One of the things I really like about this Crypto Nick guy is, one, he made over $1 million shilling on YouTube. Now, I went for a different strategy. I actually make money by trading. You'll see in my videos, I don't shill other projects or anything like that. I'm a pure trader. Very rare for crypto YouTubers, I know. But Crypto Nick always used to give away $100 in every single video. And I said to myself, if I ever am in a position like he is financially to give away $100 every video, that's exactly what I want to do. And that is exactly what I'm doing right now. All you need to do to enter is just scroll down below the video and leave a comment down there along with your Ethereum wallet address. You can see these from last week's video. They've got their ETH wallet addresses as well as a proper comment. That is fantastic. That's all you need to do. And then we'll be giving away up to $100. So every single like on the video is worth $1 up to 100. And as you can see right here, this video only has 35. So that's $35. But you see, I don't want to give away $35 today. I've made way too much this month. I want to give away $100 at absolute least. So I'm going to pick my own winner. And that winner today, no random pick at all. So this is just one of the guys over in the Discord group. And he saved me. He saved my life today. He really did. So very, very grateful to him. So today, DJ Firefox, we're sending you $100 in USDC. Thank you so, so much. And it doesn't stop there today. I also want to be giving away another $1,000 right now to the guy which actually first let me know about the strategy that we're talking about today. So if you ever find a strategy and you think that looks really cool and we could make a lot of money from that, do let me know and I might be giving you $1,000 as well. This lucky winner is Biscuit Cloud. You'll find him in the Discord group. He's in there most days, and I will be sending you, Biscuit Cloud, $1,000 by the time you're watching this video. To find this strategy, all you need to do is head over to the website, go to Trading Signals, go down Signals Tracker, scroll down, and you'll find this strategy down here somewhere called BISC HRF. And this strategy, you can see we're up 5%, it says. Now we can do much better than that in reality, and you're going to see exactly why right now. It has a percent profitability. It's 71% in real terms. You're going to see this as it turns out. Just look at all these awesome trades over here. Loads and loads and loads of winning trades. It is fantastic, and we're going to show you how to do this manually. I'm going to be giving away all of these secrets of this strategy. Well, kind of, because the truth is, when he was telling me about this strategy, I'm not sure I actually understood everything he was talking about and the way that he set it up, but I'm going to share with you what I know. Basically, a simple way that you can do this for yourself. Now, all you have to do is go up here to indicators and type in Nada Rara Watson envelope. That's what it is. This one right here. You can see by Lux Algo, it's got 6,459 likes right now. And I've actually got this already on here. There it is, the Nada Rara Watson envelope. See, if I turn it on and off, you can see the buy sell signals in there are just all part of it. Okay, so really, really good strategy. It only gives you about 30 days worth. So you can see if you scroll back a bit, it does fade out. And there's a problem with this strategy I will talk about later, but it is really, really good. So what I'm going to be doing in this strategy is basically take one of these. This is my buy sell line right here. Anywhere where we've got a green come in, this will be worth 25% of whatever it is that I'm trading on this particular coin. So maybe I'm going to trade like 5 or 10, maybe 20 coins max probably. I'm going to be going in with 25%, and then every time we come to one of these red ones at the top here, I'm going to be selling off 50%. So basically, in a nutshell, all of the bottom ones here, the green ones are worth say 1, and every red one is worth 2. So basically a red is worth 2 greens. Now, I'm not just going to be doing this with Bitcoin, I'm going to be testing it against Bitcoin, gold, and the S&P 500 so that you can see and compare how it works in different markets. Let's do it. Okay, so the results are in. This is gold, and we began here with $1,000. You can see it's going up all the way. There are a couple of red ones, so we did make a couple of losses there, but it's all very small amounts. So the profit and loss here, basically less than 0.5% for most. The average there is 0.7% on average, with total gains over the 30 days of 4.8% and a win ratio of 90%. Okay, so do remember that initially we saw that this in reality has a win ratio of about 71%. So it's not quite 90, but still really, really good. And I'm going to show you some real life results in just a moment. But first, let's just get into this. So this was gold. We got 4.8% on gold over those days. S&P 500. Okay, this done, the average profit and loss was 2.6%, so a lot more volatile than gold. Gold's just a commodity, doesn't do much. S&P 500, there has been some massive moves with inflation and interest rates moving, loads of stuff going on, loads of news. It's a lot more volatile right now. This isn't normal for the S&P 500. It's just a part of the market conditions right now. But saying that, it would have been an excellent idea to actually trade that with this, because we started with 1,000, we now got 1,222, 23% gains. Absolutely awesome. Again, a couple of losses in there, but no big deal really. You're still up 23%, which is really, really good, particularly if you have a look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin actually is not as good as the S&P 500. Can you believe it? I couldn't believe it. Bitcoin's had a bit of a hard time over the last couple of weeks. It's not been well. It is in a bear market, obviously. But despite the bear market, you're still making 16.7% with this strategy in a bear market with Bitcoin. Pretty good. Average profit and loss there, 2.5%. Pretty good. Win ratio, it says 94%. But we know from the actual real stats that we got over here that it's actually more likely 71% in reality. This isn't just Bitcoin though. This is a whole bunch of different cryptos. And now for the reality check. So that looks really good. Go look at it yourself over in TradingView. Put that on. You will see it looks fantastic. Unfortunately, what you will find over time is that the lines move. It's called repainting, and it just basically calculates those lines, the upper and lower lines, on every single new candle which comes in. So it's just constantly repainting the lines, turning it into sort of a best case scenario, where in reality, if you're actually trading on those in a live environment, something which may be a buy, 2 minutes later the buy signal's gone, it's not a buy anymore. Same with the sell. So you will not win as much as it looks like you will make. Just like it says here, it is actually in reality only 71%, not 94%. So a lot of theory there, but you can definitely trade this manually. The guy which came up with this strategy was trading it manually. In fact, he was trading it manually for longer than he wanted because he had some trouble getting the bot to work, which we'll talk about in just a minute. But you can certainly trade this manually just straight off the chart. But I shall share with you now my personal results using the automated bot that we have on the website. And this is it. So this is what we're looking at. I began 25 days ago with this balance right here. What's that? 107,828. Okay, and maybe you don't have that much in your account. It will grow over time. Obviously, like I say, I started with $500 back in 2017, and you know, I've made more than that in reality, but I've bought it out to get cars and houses. You know, those gains will come over time, so don't worry about that. Just make sure that you're making consistent gains month after month after month. That's all you need to do. You don't have to try and make it all in 1 month. This was the 19th of August. It's now the 12th of September. So 25 days. I found out earlier. I did count the days. This is where I am right now. So I put this up post because this guy was asking about it, and I worked out the figures on it. So 13.2% is the gain. There is now 122,000. This is all in 25 days, so I'm up like 14 grand in 2 days. That is the reality of trading this strategy. It's very, very good. So if you are a member on our website, Moochoo Ninja, and you want to trade this, I did think that anybody could trade this, but it is actually only available to Mutt Club members. So if you came over here to the Masters area, you can see here the Mutt Club only. Basically, to get into the Mutt Club, you're going to need a NFT, which at today's prices is actually pretty cheap. So, you know, no reason not to. You know, Ethereum's not 5 grand anymore, so it's not too bad at all. These are the NFTs. You'll get to pick whichever one you want once you've loaded them in there. Right here, you can see the strategy, so you can just pick whatever strategy you want and set that. And over here, this is the main part that you need to know. This is what I'm showing you. This is why I'm showing you this right now. Is this here, so the bear mode. So right now it's in bull, which means we're really, really good, and we just want to buy and sell. We want to buy and sell every single trade that comes through. The bear market is for, you don't necessarily just want to sell out completely. You just want to take the sell orders only as they come in, because you're getting a bit nervous about the market. And then you've got protect, which means, you know, the market's broken down through some key resistance and you just want to get out. Right here, you can see we're in a downward trend. So this is the upper line. So basically, if it breaks out above the downward trend, that's when you might want to get in. You can see we did kind of break out a little bit. So as it's coming in here and it's getting close, let me just get rid of that. Okay, so as it's getting close, you can see that maybe there's going to be a chance to buy up down here, but then you're not going to be above the green line again to actually sell off. So this is where I'd be thinking, I don't necessarily want to buy these. So I'm just going to go into bear only mode. So I only want to sell. Now that wouldn't have been so great right now because we did actually break through. Maybe once you're breaking through, you're going to be going back into bull mode. But then you've got your bull line here. And as you break down below that, you're going to want to go into protect. Go into protect, just sell it all off, sell off everything, because this is what's going to happen once you break that bull run, particularly when you're in a bear market like Bitcoin is right now. So we've got quite a way to go until we go into the Bitcoin halving and go back into a bull run, a big bull run this time, particularly with all the inflation that's going on. So again, you see here, you've got this downward trend. As you're heading into it, you might want to start thinking about getting into bear only mode. When we break through, back into bull mode, and so on and so forth all the way along. You can see right now we're in a massive bull trend up here. At some point we're going to pull back down and test this trend line, but right now it's looking pretty sweet. That is it for today. So you can either trade manually, write that straight off the trading view, or you can use the bot. If you do want to use the bot, do check out this video right here where it goes through the setup of the bot. With that, you should be making money very, very easily, sat around the house doing whatever it is that you want to do all day, and just making money. It's a nice life, I'll be honest. It's a nice life, and I hope that you can join me here soon.